Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Then guys, kube umamkhulu, uMacele. Can we give her flowers? Can we give uMacele her flowers for respecting her husband and understanding ukuthi the 50th was not about her but about her husband? Because sometimes we get so spiteful in unnecessary situations that we forget ukuthi this day was never about us. Macele is the last woman standing. But Macele ke sikhokho awona mangatompotsang gore what is what. Can we please give uMacele her flowers for honoring her husband despite agreements, despite disagreements, despite misunderstanding, besides understanding? She honored the day and understood ukuthi this day is not about mina but this day is about my husband. Simphena ama flowers wakhe.